What's up guys, I am Shubham and guys you can see Samsung Galaxy S23 FE and this is Exynos device. And guys, I installed Windows 7 on my S23 FE device. This is Exynos 2200 and specially this video for Exynos and MediaTek users because Snapdragon users already enjoy GTA 5 on their device. But what about Exynos and MediaTek users? Then I installed real Windows 7. You can see no Wi-Fi is on, no recent apps, no emulation, no mirror. This is real Windows 7. And today in this video I only review Windows 7. And guys, if you want to really install real Windows 7 on your Exynos or MediaTek device, then comment me or comment section. But in this video I only review Windows 7 on my device. Then you can see guys, this is real Windows 7. Wait for 5 minutes and guys, after start you can see Windows 7 run smoothly. You can see guys, Windows 7 run perfectly. Volume down button, it means mouse right click. Guys, after few days I also install softwares and games and I will show you how to run games in this Windows 7 on your Galaxy S23 FE Exynos device. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. In few days, I also install Windows 11 on my S23 FE device, and if you really want to install Windows 7 or Windows 11 on your S23 FE device, then comment me your comment section. Next video, I will show you how to install complete real Windows 7 on your S23 FE device. I make long video about Windows 7 installation on S23 FE device. I will show you complete step by step how to install real Windows 7 on your S23 FE device like this. So guys, like this video and comment me your comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.